Hello everyone, Cataplan here. Today I will be solving the double 3x3 conjoined cube. This is version number 2. Version number 1 is just combine only one cube right here, the one row only. The version 2 is 2 rows. So as you can see, this two I cannot do anything with this in the middle. So yep, and the version 3 is actually conjoined and it's kind of like this one. So all this is like the other cube is right mixed in this area. So you only have the right, the U and the back. So there are only 3 axes you can move actually. So that's the version number 3, but of course 2 cubes together. So imagine that. Trying to solve this cube, I will do 2 different ways. There are the vertical way, having the 2 that are conjoined on the left side, or vertically these 2, and then I can move this, the middle and the right side. And the other way to do it is the horizontal way, that it has these 2 at the bottom and you can only move the right side, not the middle, but you can move this side freely. So I will be doing that. If you don't have a cube, you can get a cube, this 3x3, and do the same thing. So you see I got it here, the cube, and I just taped it, and you can have the same movement and everything in the cube. So yeah, so you don't have to wait until you get this to try and see if you can solve it. You can practice with this like that. So just tape a side, don't cover all the colors so you know which side it is properly, and you can try to solve it. So yeah, so let's do this. Let's scramble and let's try it out. Yeah, it's all scrambled now. So let's start with the vertical way. I like the vertical way. It's a little bit easier for me to do than the horizontal way, but I'm gonna do both. So let's start with the vertical way. So let's find out. Okay, I'm just solving this cube. I'm not doing a tutorial, so it's just having fun. So let's do this. I'll do this part first, so it has to be the color matching there. And let's see. There we go. I got the red. Now I need red and blue. Red and blue is right here, so let's put it down. There we go, red and blue. Now put the corners wide. It's right there. Now I have to put this one down. There we go. Now rotate that one. And the other one got there already. That's good. So now to do the top part, I like this because I can rotate and do the cross part. So yeah, there we go. So I got the cross. Now I have to get the whole thing. And now it's just to permutate this one's here. And there we go. That was solved. So now the other way to do it is blocking this one and leaving everything free. So I'm gonna do this side the horizontal way. And this is a little bit more tricky to do because of this one here. So let's do that. So we have the yellow, so now it's yellow, red, and blue. That's one, so red and blue, that's the one I want here, so it's right here. Now put this one down. It goes here, hiding from me. Okay, now I need the opposite side. Well, since it's on the opposite side, I can just do that. Now this side, blue down. Let's put it down. Now I need red and white is right here. So if I do this, it's the opposite side. There you go. We have that there. Now we have to do this other side. So I need orange and yellow. So put it down here. And there you go. And now I need to put this one here. But I'm seeing already something that I only have 2 greens on top, and since I cannot do the other move for the cross, I have to do this manually one by one. So instead of lowering that, this one I have to put it up as green first. So I'm gonna put it here. So I'm gonna flip this too, and that's the last piece I'm gonna put. So okay, it's here. Now I have 3. Now I have to put the 4th one up. So I'm gonna rotate. This is the last piece to go down, and now I'm gonna have the whole cross now. So that's the only difference with this one. You have to be careful with that. Okay. Now I have the cross now, and I can finish the rest of the thing. And here I have to permutate this one. I cannot use M to do a u-perm. So what I'm gonna do is to do the cuboid style, to rotate these 2 first and then permutate these 2 next. So let's do that. There we go, got that one. Now I'll put this 2 here. I'm gonna do the same thing. And there we go. So, hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and put your likes and subscribe, please. Thank you.